Good morning, students. Now we are going to see migration. Migration means movements of people. Migration. It is the movement of people across regions and territories. It can be classified internal within a country or international between the countries. Internal migration does not change the size of population of a country, but it plays an important role in changing the composition and distribution of population. In India, the mass migration is from rural to urban. There are two factors for the migration: push factors and pull factors. Unemployment and underemployment in the rural areas are the push factors, and the employment opportunity and higher wages in the urban areas are the pull factors of migration in the country. Population composition refers to the characteristics such as age, sex, marital status, caste, religion, language, education, occupation, etc. The study of composition of population helps us to understand the social, economic and demographic structure of population. Composition. It refers to the number of people in different age groups in country. It is help us to understand the proportion of population in dependent and independent category. It was classified into three categories: children less than 15 years, working age 15 to 59 years, aged above 59 years. The children constitute 29.5%, and then the people above 60 years constitute 8.0%. So the dependent population in India is 37.5%, and the independent population is 16 to 59 years is 62.5%. So it shows that our country has enormous manpower. Ratio is the number of females per thousand male population. It is an important social indicator. Equality between male and female. Sex ratio has always remained unfavorable to females. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio of the country is 940 females per thousand males. So it indicates the size of female population is lower than males. Only in the state of Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry, the sex ratio is greater than 1000. It is 1084 in Kerala and 1038 in Puducherry. The lowest sex ratio is recorded in the Union Territory of Daman and Diu, 618.